Hello, everyone. Welcome to Jodoo. In this video, I'll introduce the aggregation field to you. We take the customer management as an example. With this field, you can realize real-time computation of a customer's total stocks. Let's see how to get it. Here, 3 forms have been prepared in advance, recording the client info, inbound and outbound information, respectively. Now we go to the design page of the client form. Add an aggregation field for total stocks calculation. In field properties, first we can rename it to make the field clearer. Then we should set the formula. Click Settings here and we see the formula configuration page. Here are 2 types of variables that can be used for calculating. We input the formula, that is, initial inventory plus inbound quantity minus outbound quantity. You can see the default aggregate method is SUM, but you can change it here. Meanwhile, we need to add a filter condition here for accurate calculation. After configuration, click OK to save it. Under Format, you can set it as numeric or percentage according to your needs. Finally, save the form and let's see how it works. First, we create a record in the client form and then the inbound form. Fill in whatever number as you like. And outbound form. And now we back to see the data of client form. In this calculation field, you can see the value is not the number we submitted just now. Click it and in the detail page, we can see every change is logged here according to the update of the related data. Notice that whenever a new aggregation field is added or an existing one is modified, a full recalculation will be triggered upon saving the form to ensure data accuracy. If recalculation does not occur as expected, navigate to App Management, Aggregation, locate the form, and click Calculate. So that's the configuration of aggregation field in Jodoo. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials. And leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.